It is 6:45 in the morning, day 2 here in Wisconsin, day 3 on vacation, and we're going on another run. Same loop that we did yesterday, but this time I'm going to film some of it because there are some really nice houses on this loop, and they're worth seeing, I'm telling you. So currently we step outside to go run and it starts to rain. So I think we're still gonna run. A little rain won't hurt you, but it's just a little frustrating. Alrighty, we are here. It's really raining if you can't tell. We got these nice houses. There's one. Can't really see behind the tree, but there's this big arch. There's a picture. We got this house back here. We got another one over here. They're nice houses. I mean, seriously, nice houses. So if you ever come to Door County, go on Apple Ridge Road and come see these awesome houses. Here's this super nice house. I'm calling it like the mother of the neighborhood because shoot, that thing's nice. Look at it. This is probably not very good. Okay, it is finished raining. We got back from running, showered. Now we're heading to go get coffee because Luke ditched us today. It looks really nice. The sun's shining.
It'd be a great time to go for a run.
Of course, we already ran in the rain. But yeah, we're gonna go on our kayaking tour at 9:30. Hopefully get some cool footage from that, going in some caves. So that'll be fun. About to go get some coffee though. Let's hope this goes well. Going in some caves. We're going on the water. So, Mom and Luke are already out there. Yeah?
Yep.
We are done kayaking, all really sore. So now we are headed, where are we headed, Dad?
State park with a beach.
All right, we're going to a beach to eat lunch, which is gonna be peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And so, yeah, that's the plan. Heading to the Peninsula State Park? No.
Whitefish Dunes State Park.
Whitefish Dunes State Park. So, that's the plan. See ya eating lunch. We got done kayaking and we ate peanut butter and jelly, and the water's really cold. Luke jumped in it all the way. Dad jumped in it all the way. And now Mom and I are gonna go up to our knees since we don't have our swimsuits. It's cold. Come on, Mom. I just did it. Come on, Mom. I told it
You guys are pansies.
Yes, we did it. We did it. Just got done swimming at the beach. Oh, we didn't really swim. It's kind of cold. But it's actually white fish dunes. This guy told me wrong. So, white fish dunes park with the freezing cold water. Now we are on our way back to the car. We're gonna head back to the room, change, maybe go hiking, and then go out to eat at the, what's it called? Flying Tomato?
Wild tomato.
Wild Tomato place. They serve really good pizza. So, that's the plan. Right, Dad?
Yes, that is correct.
Yeah. We are at the Wild Tomato, and we ordered our food. Have to get back to you guys if it's good or not, because we literally just ordered it. We got the, what was it, the cherry
Salad.
this is cherry salad. Cherry walnut salad. And then we also ordered the wild pie pizza. So, it'll be exciting, and we're waiting for our food. Alright, so we finished eating at the Wild Tomato. Best place ever. Totally recommend it. Now we are in Peninsula State Park, and we are just gonna drive around and look at the scenery. We have just been to Wilson's Soda and Ice Creamery, and highly recommend the dark cherry ice cream. Dad and I are splitting it. These are really big serving sizes, so definitely share with somebody if you can. And definitely go to this place for some good ice cream. Don't you think so, Dad?
Definitely.
Definitely. Enjoy.